Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing my favorite face washes. This is the part 1 of my video, and tomorrow I will be uploading part 2 of my video with another different face washes. So a cleanser is a facial care product that is used to remove makeup, dead skin, oil, dirt and other type of pollutants from the skin of the face. These best face washes, they will unclog your pores and they will prevent skin conditions such as acne. A good cleanser will work with the skin, not stripping it off from its natural oils and drying it out. So avoid harsh soaps. Many of the people amongst you are using soaps on your skin. You must not use them, the soap bars, because they have an alkalinity level between 9 and 10. So use facial cleansers that have lower pH level and are scientifically designed to cleanse only and only the face. Soap bars imbalance your skin's natural pH level, causing dehydration. I truly believe that cleansing your skin with a bar of soap, even if it is a facial bar, it is harmful to your skin. When you wash your face with a soap, it will dry out your skin. It pulls out all the water out of the skin and it creates dead, dry skin cells, which leads to early wrinkles also. So these are the best face washes that I personally use. This is not a paid promotion. These are genuinely the best. They will work for your skin, and in this lockdown period we use facial cleansers twice a day. We are not using any sort of makeup, so this is the best skincare product. And after washing your face, you can apply any good serum or any good, I will be uploading a video of that as well, and any good moisturizer. On top of it, sunscreen is a must daily, every morning. Now see, you people are unaware of the high number of toxic chemicals present in each and every face wash. So you must read all the ingredients, because many of these are made of synthetic chemicals that causes skin irritation. Now let's start with my review. So the first one I will be reviewing is from Mamaearth. This is their Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. It is for tan removal. It is paraben and SLS free. It is dermatologically tested and it will suit all skin types. The fragrance is also very nice. You can purchase it from any e-commerce website or from their official website also. They are delivering all the essential products even in the lockdown period. Pamper your skin with these good face washes. It will lighten your skin, repair sun damage. It will give a very nice glow to your face. It will deeply clean all the pores. So you have to just wet your face, massage it with your fingertips. I would suggest that you should keep it on your skin for at least a minute so that the ingredients work well. So this is really very nice. Thumbs up to this. You can definitely purchase it. It is a very good product. The second one is by Garnier Skin Naturals. This is Light Complete Fairness Face Wash. It will reduce dullness. And it is very good because in summer, especially in summers, for the oily skin people, it will remove all the excess oil from your face. Exposure to sun, pollution and harmful environment conditions makes the skin appear dull and dark, so it will make your skin fairer and it will work wonders for you. So this is another very good face wash, and it is suitable for all skin types. The third one here I have is from Biotique. This is my favorite brand. You can try any products from them. You will always be satisfied. This is their Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Whitening Face Wash for all skin types. It is an Ayurvedic recipe. It is 100%. It contains 100% botanical extracts. You have to massage it on your wet face and neck with fingertips, lather and rinse morning and evening. Twice a day you have to use it. It is an Ayurvedic medicine and you will see visible results. These are all tried and tested. So you can definitely give them a try. And do let me know in the comments section. All your suggestions are really welcomed. I would love to hear from you people. This is from Faces Canada. the fourth one, the Epic Skin Nourishing Face Wash. It is for dry skin. I have very really dry skin, so after washing my face I need to apply a moisturizer immediately, but this leaves my skin really soft, supple, glowing and nourished. So this is really nice because it has avocado oil, honey and turmeric in it. It will improve your skin texture also, making it soft, supple, and it has all the Ayurvedic antiseptic properties also. It will restore moisture and nourish your skin. And I would suggest you all to keep every face wash on your face for at least a minute so that all the ingredients work well. This another is from Kaya Youth, Oxy Infusion Face Wash, your daily dose of youth. This is also very nice. You instantly your skin will feel very good, and you will fall in love with your skin. It is suitable for all skin types, and it will enhance the oxygen supply to the skin cells. So it is also great for your skin. You can definitely give it a try. I have a small miniature of this one. This is also really good. All the products of Blossom Culture Aroma Magic are very nice. This is their white tea and chamomile face wash, everyday pollution defense. The fragrance is also very nice, and you'll feel very fresh and relaxed after washing your face with this. This product is very nice. You can definitely purchase a bigger tube of this one, and it is generally available on discount, on at least 20% off on all websites. It is for all skin types. So basically all the face washes that I've shown today are for all skin types. So even the sensitive skin people can also use them. This is my favorite brand, Coco Soul Revitalizing Face Wash. The fragrance is really amazing. Even after washing your face, you will keep on smelling it. It is very, very nice. The fragrance is very nice. It has no mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates, and no petroleum, no formaldehyde. So it's basically very good for your skin, no chemicals. Basically I've shown all the face washes today. All of them are very natural and very good for your skin. You can definitely purchase them. Tomorrow I will be uploading another video with different face washes. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and you can give me suggestions. I would love to read your comments. Please share it with your friends, because these face washes are chemical free. They are good for your skin. They have least amount of chemicals. I've chosen that only for you people. Love you people. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Eat healthy. And take care. Bye bye.